Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a whole month since I have been able to record for you guys and get you guys some content, so I'm extremely excited to be back today. It's been one crazy month for me. I got married October the 10th and things just been going haywire but I'm glad to be back with you all. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do a micro link look with using a basic sewing method where you don't have to use a tool or any glue or any clip beads or anything that may be a little harsh on the roots of your hair. This is going to be a simple braids and sew method. It's kind of like the old Vixen way, but with the Vixen you had to sew the hair within sections and you can only wear specific parts. But with this, you'll be able to part your hair wherever you want to. You'll be able to wear it up in a bun. You'll be able to wear a half up, a half down. And the best thing about this, you can sew any hair in that matches your hair texture. So here I just want to show you guys how I start off. Of course, you do want to part the perimeter of your hair, so you want to leave the hair out on the sides and the nape and the frontal lobe area, so that way when you do pull your hair up in a ponytail, you do have, you know, enough hair left out to cover those tracks or whatever. The smaller the braid, the better, because the smaller your braid, the flatter it will lay, and the more hair that you will be able to fit into your head if you want something extremely full. So here you're just gonna see me doing an extremely small braid going to the side, and then I'm gonna take my needle and thread and go to work. Here you're gonna see where I'm just gonna make a quick little knot at the very end of her braid. I'm not gonna braid it all the way down to the end. I'm just gonna make a quick loop so that it will hold the braid in place while I go ahead and sew the track onto the braid itself. So for me, I do believe that this is a good protective style, again, because if you are natural, you can use a deep wave, a wet and wavy hair. If you do wash and goes all the time, you can also get the kinky kind of hair. You can do the Mongolian hair. You can do any type of texture your hair that you want, and that's the best part of this. So don't be afraid, oh, I have to wear my hair pressed down, I'm gonna get heat damage. No, girlfriend, you can use whatever you want. And you're gonna keep this same method going straight across throughout the whole head until you're completely done. And you can add as many as you like. You can construct your parts towards the front as much as you like, as I did this. Once you guys get towards the end of the video, you will see where I made sure I had at least 6 inches worth of middle part. So, you know, because I know a lot of you guys love a middle part, so I made sure that you'll be able to get a good middle part out of this and still have a head full of hair. So I want you guys to just continue to watch, and I'll tap in at the end of the video. Oh, one more important tip. As you can see, I'm starting like right at the tip of the ear, a little bit behind it. This is also very important because, again, you do want it to lay very flat in the front once you do your half up, half down, or if you pull up in a ponytail, or even if you get ready to part it. You want to make sure that those tracks are behind the ear. That's very, very important. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm just going in and pressing out her natural hair to blend in with the synthetic hair that I have. I don't know if I mentioned that at the beginning of the video, but this hair is definitely synthetic. It's the Gardenia Model blend, and I only use 1 pack, and you can see how much that filled her hair out. So imagine if you guys use 2 packs. So I did go ahead and just blend that in, and I'm just going to show you how you guys can part it left, right, side to side, a good middle part. And I'm going to show you all how you can put it up in a nice, beautiful bun without none of your tracks showing or anything like that. So I did want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope I taught you all something, again, a quick hack, something good that you guys can afford and still get those expensive looks, because you know I am a budget queen, honey. So thank you all again. Please like, comment, and subscribe, share whatever you can to get this video out. And I will see you guys on the next video to talk about my lock journey. Bye. Diva is a female version of a hustler.